or fades beyond the shoreline, but love is never washed away. The years keep turning like the ocean, yet your voice still finds its way. Every sunset holds your memory, every dawn begins anew. Though the world keeps moving onward, a part of me still walks with you. When the rain falls on the water, it doesn't ask the sea to forget, it simply whispers to the heart. Love is stronger than regret. When the king tide returns and the full moon lights the sea, your memory rises with the waves and gently reaches me. Every tide becomes a message, every moon a guiding light. Though I cannot hold your hand again, your love still holds me through the night. Some say time will heal the sorrow, some say wounds will disappear, but every season brings you closer, not in sadness, but right here. In the wind across the islands, in the stars that softly shine, heaven sends its quiet comfort, telling me your heart meets mine. We never truly lose the people who have shaped the souls we are. They become the tides that lift us, the moonlight reaching from afar. Every heartbeat is a harbor, every tear becomes the rain. Love returns with every full moon and softly heals the deepest pain. When the king tide returns, I'll lift my eyes toward the sky, not to ask the hurt to leave me, but to thank you for your life. Every wave will sing your story, every moon will call your name. Love outlives the passing seasons and forever stays the same. So when the full moon finds the ocean and the shoreline glows once more, I'll know your heart is never distant, only waiting